This is one of the fastest and easiest meals ever. Once you have the ingredients meal prepped, to warm the flatbread straight from the freezer takes just about 3 minutes. Just place it in a frying pan, cover it and put it on high heat. To warm the veggies and shredded chicken straight from the freezer also takes just about 5 minutes. Place it in a fry pan, add a little water and whatever spices you want, cover and put on high heat. And just like that, food is ready, whether for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for snack or school lunch. You can also fry eggs and add to it, or slice avocado with it, or tomatoes or cabbage, anything you want basically. I actually wanted to do a little yogurt dressing to drizzle inside, but I was feeling lazy. Don't worry, I'll do a separate video of the dressing to show you. Next week, we'll continue with the meal prep cooking videos. For tomorrow and next, let me rest.